Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI Basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 98, which is Flashing Graphics Cursor. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A and a modern PC. Type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 98, Flashing Graphics Cursor. You can make any one spot on the face of your television set or video display tube dance or glitter with color using this program. Use this flashy little indicator to spot whatever you like on the graphics screen. Change the location of the cursor spot by changing the two 12s in line 50. Okay, program is very short, so this is not going to take long to type in. Let's get into Classic 99. This is the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's get typing. 10 call clear. 20. We're going to define a custom character, so call, C-H-A-R. Character 128, and it looked like 16 F's to me, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Line 30, for C equals 3 to 16. .40, call color. 13, C, 4. .50, call HCHAR. This actually draws the character to the screen. HCHAR. And we've got 12, 12, 128. Row 12, column 12, and character number 128. 60. Next C. 70, go to 30. Okay, let's look over the program, see if there are any obvious typos, syntax errors, anything of that sort. Nothing seen, so let's go ahead and run the program. All this is going to do is blink one spot on the screen. Let's get a few screenshots of that. I'm not sure which color I'm going to end up using for the YouTube thumbnail. Kind of depends what the luck of the draw is. It reminds me of, this is a trick the Atari system used a lot, this blinking square to draw attention to something. Color flashing square. Kind of looks magical. If you sped it up a little bit, it would look sort of magical and shimmery, maybe even rotate the colors. Maybe make it so some last a little longer than others, a little more of a smooth transition. Well, there you go. That is program number 98, Flashing Graphics Cursor, from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. If you happen to be watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content. Retro programming, retro gaming, retro computing, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally, although I'm doing more and more TI-99 4A content these days. If you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing. Check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching on YouTube, please check out my Twitch channel under Cozy Azeroth for live streams and all the above. And if you happen to catch me live streaming, say hi in the chat or participate as you see fit. In any case, I appreciate the enthusiasm for these retro TI-99 4A streams, along with any likes and follows and especially subscriptions, which help me out greatly in these challenging and troubling financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video. And we are in the home stretch. I think we only have 3 more videos after this one to finish all 101 programs from this book. So stay tuned for the next 3 videos on my YouTube channel and check out all the previous videos in this series on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next video.